testing system powered by IDP to check the level of the candidate. My name is Deepak and I am speaking of candidate number 681. Okay, so shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, introduce yourself.
As I said, my surname is Sharma and my given name is Sapna. I have recently completed my graduation from AS College Khanna, and I come from Khanna, State Punjab, and it is located in the northern side of my country. I consider myself as an extrovert person. Moreover, I am benevolent and gregarious.
Okay. How much work do you do in a week?
Well, talking about a week, the one thing that hits my mind is that I am fully exhausted at the end of the weekend, and yes, I do.
Okay. Do you have to work on weekends as well?
Well, I am studying, and at weekends I am at home only, so I have to do my homeworks, and I also help my mother in my household works.
Do you like the place where you work?
Well, to be honest, I kind of like it because that's why I am also pursuing it furthermore, and I feel very happy about it.
What would make your work more interesting?
Well, talking about something which attracts me the most is the most familiar co-working things, and I feel very much comfortable around people who are more benevolent and cooperative.
Let's talk about perfume. Do you wear perfume?
Yes, on a daily basis I do. I can't resist myself without perfume.
Do you have a favorite kind of perfume?
Well, yes, it is an expensive one, but I feel and I believe that having a perfume which makes me smell good is worth it.
Okay. Do people in your country often wear perfume?
Well, talking about the whole nation, I think in my country people do use perfumes because every time whenever I met somebody, they all smell different and they all smell good.
Okay. Do you like to purchase expensive perfumes?
Well, I am back to afraid to say this. Sometimes I can, because whenever I get money on my occasions, I get collected it and then I bought it. But otherwise, I just use normal cheap perfumes too.
Okay. Have you ever received perfume as a gift?
Well, in my nation, it is a myth that we should not give as a gift to perfume to somebody, then we don't have a good equation. So that's why I haven't received till now any gift as a perfume.
Okay. Would you ever like to give perfume to anyone?
No, not at all. I consider myself that I believe in these types of rumors and myths a lot. So I don't think I would.
Okay. This is the end of part 1 of your speaking. Let's move to the part 2. This is the topic. You have 1 minute to prepare for this topic, and after that you have to speak for 2 minutes.
Friend is someone who plays a very important role and vital role in my life. I consider them as my strength and my pillars. After family, if I look forward to someone who is very close to my heart, is my best friend Tanveen. She lives in Canada. She is studying over there, and I remember it was the time during the whole scenario was happening of pandemic of COVID-19. We all were stuck in our houses, and obviously because of the rules and regulation of lockdown. And one day I was very much stressed out and I didn't know what to do and not. I was very much in a confused state, and I had a phone call from her and we talked a lot. I was very much acting like that nothing has happened, and I was as I also mentioned that I am an extrovert person. I was talking non-stop, and I was very much gregarious towards her. And but somehow, as I mentioned, that we have a long friendship and she's my best friend, so she somehow knew that I am hiding something from her, and she was like, is there anything which is like something irritating you or you are getting stressed out? So then yes, I told her that there is one thing that during this whole situation I was not able to go outside, I was not able to meet anybody, and I was somehow feeling very depressed. And somewhere I knew it that I am going to stage where a person get depressed and feel like depression. And then I shared with her, and afterwards she talked to my family also, and everybody very much consulted me, and she was very much angry towards me because I didn't told her, but she fostered me a lot to talk to my family and give very much in short, they all were very much coordinating towards me. And at last I was back to my whole situation. I understand the whole thing that they all told me, and afterwards I was feeling like a dog with two tails because I was very much happy. And while it was my friend, she knew how to make me good back to it, and even the whole situation was going good. And afterwards she also ordered something for me which came to my house, and that was chocolates, because she knew that I had a sweet tooth. And one thing which I always confidently say is that if you want to impress me, bring me chocolates. So this whole situation was very fun.
Let's talk about lying. In what situations?
Pardon?
Let's talk about lying. In what situations is it okay to lie?
Well, if it is a circumstance in which we can make somebody happy and we are not rude to them, because sometimes when we are in our anger zone, we are very much arrogant towards others, and I don't think that it is a good quality of people. And if in that situation, if we can handle things by saying a small sweet lie, it's okay.
Okay. Do you think it is okay for politicians to speak a lie?
Well, being in such a huge platform, holding such a powerful position, I don't think a person should lie, because it can be very much costly to them. And I think in my nation, politicians are known as the best liars. And yes, I think, but there was one politician which I would love to mention, APJ Abdul Kalam. I consider him like that he was in politics but not a politician.
Okay. Is lying a common activity in your country?
In my nation, yes, I will say, because most of the time it's also among my friends only, and we always we lie a lot, but not in a bad way, just in good things.
What should parents do if their children tell lies?
Well, I think the most vital role who plays in somebody's life is the family and parents only. I think that parents should also provide a comfort zone, a level of comfort that children should be able to confess each and everything towards them. And if they find out that they are lying to them, I don't think that they should be burst out to them, and they should not make their blood boil. They should console them with love and care.
This is the end of your speaking.
Thank you.